The top 5 times swapping out the HCM is the most efficient way to troubleshoot. The LED lights are staying illuminated even when the vehicle switch is turned off. The module has a short circuit. It cannot be repaired. Swap out the HCM and it should go away. There's water in the module. You may see other symptoms before you'll notice that the water has entered the module. If the module has water inside, replace it and make sure that the ports are facing towards the ground. The module can't be laid flat. The turn signals won't flash, or you may see the signals blink once and then stay lit, or not blink at all. This would be an example of either an open circuit or a short circuit within the module. No high beams or no low beams. Again, this is an open circuit and the only remedy would be a module swap out. Flickering. If any part of the LED light is flickering and you've checked all the connections and they're tight and secure, this would be a bad circuit within the module. And there you have it. Those were the top 5 reasons to have a spare HCM module for troubleshooting and repair. Thank you for watching.